Hello and welcome to our tutorial videos. To order a new business SIP service, hover over Orders, and click New Order. Select Business SIP. Here, you can choose the business SIP per channel with or without included calls. We will select with calls, and click Continue. On the step 2, you can specify the number of channels you need. A channel is the amount of simultaneous calls you can have out to the public network. In this case we'll enter 10, then, click Continue. You've got a couple of different options available here, depending on your activation and length term needs. Select the appropriate option, and click Continue. If you require hardware for the service, choose Yes. If you have your own hardware, you can select No. We offer a specific hardware option for this service. On this example, we'll have it delivered to our office. Click Continue to proceed. On the right-hand side, you'll see a summary of the service with the details filled out. You can add the friendly service name, and the service name will be created automatically. If there's any additional relevant information, you can provide it on the additional notes. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Proceed to see the final order summary before confirming the order. When you're ready, click Submit. Within 3 to 5 minutes, the service will be ready for use, and you can begin adding phone numbers to it.